solving that problem and solution for your client will change your life more than anything. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I have really learned, which is that to go from just starting out in the shop, having 0 clients here in LA, 2 years now it's been, October 12th, 2021 today is 2 years that I've been in LA. And what I have learned is there are a ton of barbers in LA, so much competition, but not everyone is. A very small percentage of barbers are chasing perfection. Most barbers have a time limit on how much time they can spend on a haircut, and they're looking to get the client out of there quickly, so they're not able to focus on making the haircut fit the client's head better than any other barber in the world is. But because I've been able to elevate my prices, elevate my business, and give more of myself to each cut without feeling guilty like I'm not gonna make my day rate, I'm able to give more to myself to that cut than ever. And the biggest blessing has come from that, which is that I get much more passion out of my job. Like, cutting hair is not even a job. It's something that, as long as I do my best work, I feel proud. If I rush the haircut, I don't feel proud. So I found myself, every time I get too booked and too busy, I'm trying to rush, I gotta go up in my prices just out of the obligation I have to myself, that if I'm gonna be a barber one more year and retire, I have to know that every day I woke up and cut someone's hair, I was passionate about it. If I'm gonna be a barber for 2 more years, every day of those 2 years that I give a haircut, I have to look at this thing and say, if this was gonna be on a canvas in a museum, would I be proud of it? Would I be happy that I did this? Like, I honestly feel more pride in my work than ever. And you gotta take pride in your work. That's like really what keeps you in this thing. So the day that I'm done with how I am now, being so invested in each cut, I'm gonna stop and I'm going to move on, but I'm not there yet. So I wanted to share that gem that I've learned on this journey with you guys, which is that chasing perfection over perception will always win. I do my best not to use enhancements anymore because I want to just perfect that thing without them. And I realize the enhancements really are a lack of skill for many barbers like myself in the past. And it's been a journey to get the same look without them. So I just wanted to share all that with you guys and let you know that I'm going to be making more content, and I want to know, help me help you to grow this channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The algorithm has been kicking my ass, and it's because YouTube does not like when you take breaks. So if you guys could drop any type of videos you want to see, more day in the life videos with lessons that I've learned. If you guys want to see more haircuts, and I will go ahead and make more of that. Whatever you guys comment, I'm going to be reading the comments, replying to the comments, and they will influence the creation of more videos to come. So thank you guys so much for your support on the little break I took from YouTube to really master my business, master my haircuts, keeping the main thing the main thing. But I know who I am. I don't want everyone to forget who I am, which is someone who paves the way and helps people behind him and lifts them up. Because I was inspired 5 years ago by barbers on YouTube and on Instagram, and I can never forget and lose sight of that. So I'll never forget who I am, and thank you guys for the support along the way. Many more blessings to come. I'll see you on the next one. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. We'll make it happen. God bless.